Hey there, UK bargain hunters. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring you the biggest and best deals, freebies, and discounts. I'm Liam from hotukdeals, and we're all about saving the consumer, that's you, a absolute wad of cash. In this video, we'll be sharing 8 of the best deals that we found this week so that you can save a wad of cash while picking up high quality products. There's also 3 easy to grab Amazon deals and discounts that you definitely don't want to miss, so make sure you watch till the end of the video to pick all of the very best ways to save up. Obviously, some of the best deals that we see and some of the most popular deals that we see all concern the big internet behemoth that is Amazon. Now, right now, in fact, there's actually 2 different ways to grab £5 off of your Amazon shop. Thankfully, the first £5 off offer, so many of us should be eligible for, and all you have to do is head over to the Amazon website and click on Get Promo. However, be wary because this offer is actually restricted to the first 10,000 people who claim it, so make sure you get on that. Information about all of the deals that we include in this video will, of course, be included in the caption at the bottom of this video, so make sure you tap on that to pick up this deal. In case this deal doesn't work, there's also yet another way to pick up £5 off over at Amazon, and that's simply to make an order and use Amazon Pickup instead. Even better, this offer is valid for the first 50,000 people instead. And like I said, all you have to do is order and use Amazon Pickup. And of course, you'll find more info on that at the link at the bottom. And in case you thought we'd heard enough of Amazon discounts, you're in luck. You can actually now grab 40% off Amazon brands, and this deal is actually available until the 15th of May. So you've also got plenty of time to grab them. A lot of these are actually based around household essentials such as Amazon packing cube sets, stapler guns, and the like, but there's also tons and tons of electronics and stuff in there, and 40% off is certainly nothing to be sniffed at. Either way, there's some really fab opportunities to grab yourselves a bargain over at Amazon, who've been super generous with their sales and discounts at the moment. And of course, as always, make sure that you click the link at the bottom of the video to pick this up. Plus, I hope you're feeling pretty peckish because this next deal is certainly one that can feed the entire family, all for under £6. Right now, KFC are offering a full bucket of 20 hot wings just now. This is, needless to say, a ton of bang for your buck, or pluck in this instance. Plus, if that's not even enough, you can also add an extra 2 large sides for only £3, meaning this is an absolute ton of food for under £9 in total. That's it for our hottest deals of the week just now, but keep on watching until the end of the video because we've got a ton of fab freebies, as well as our deal forecast and a saving tip that you're not going to want to miss as well, because it's one that can actually snag you complimentary hotel rooms and stays. First up, we have a fab freebie for the upcoming Coronation. You can actually build yourself a free Coronation crown over at LEGO stores. This offer runs on the 6th and the 8th of May between 12 and 2 o'clock, and obviously it'd be a great opportunity to take the kids along, and it's free, did I mention? Obviously it's going to be a pretty simple build because it's made for kids, but either way, it's something that you should definitely take a look at. More details on this at the link at the bottom of the video. For anyone who's wanting to get a little scooch on and want to start exercising maybe, or maybe you've just forgotten about your New Year's resolution, there's actually 3-day gym passes going over at Village Gyms that are available for free of charge. And even if you don't feel like working out, this also includes their swimming pool facilities. Plus, if you haven't used Spotify before, this could be a super useful freebie because they're actually currently offering 3 free months of Spotify Premium to anyone who's not signed up before. Even if you have signed up before, it could certainly be useful or beneficial if you sign up with a different email, for example, and try and snag yourself those 3 free months of premium. Just make sure that you sign up before midway through next month, as this is the only time the offer is eligible until. And lastly, we all love a bit of free grub, but how's about an entire meal for free? Over at Morrison's Cafe just now, you can grab yourself an entire jacket potato and beans meal for free, and the best thing about this freebie is it's available to absolutely anyone. If we just told you how to pick it up, that would of course be telling, but all you have to do is click on the link at the bottom of the video here and check out our deal page for more information on how to pick that up. There's tons and tons of amazing deals to see as part of our deal forecast just here, and this includes fab tech deals as well as holidays and loads more. First up, we've been spotting increasingly fab deals on the Samsung S23 mobile phone. This includes the Samsung S23 128GB, and we've seen amazing deals on this actually from Samsung themselves. Right now, when you pick up a Samsung S23 mobile phone, you'll also get a JBL Flip 6 included that's worth £130, and as well as that, you'll also get £300 worth of Adidas vouchers. All that you have to do is claim this within 30 days of purchase, and to sweeten the deal, deal yet further. If you also include a trade-in, you can also get an extra £100 off the price of your Samsung S23 here. In addition, we're likely to see some absolutely fantastic prices starting pretty soon, well, in fact now actually, thanks to the early bird sale going on over at Dunelm. They've got some truly beautiful designs such as these Franco storage benches, which are going for 50% off their original price, while also these Delphi black sideboards certainly aren't to be sniffed at either. In addition, there's never been a better time to get the holidays booked, especially if you've got the kids coming along, with the Premier Inn hotel room sale now going on. The sale itself concerns hotel rooms booked between May and September, and there's tons of amazing hotel room prices that are going for either £43 or even less available, and this also includes hotel rooms that are next to theme parks. So this is super handy, for example, if you want to take the kids to Alton Park or places like that. Speaking of traveling abroad, our savings tip this week is a super useful one for travel and hotel stays and loads more. Thanks to our deal editor Chanchy32, who's written up a fantastic guide on how to use Airline Stopover Programs for this one. Did you know that you can actually use these Airline Stopover Programs to pick up discount hotel stays and attractions as well when you travel? A number of airlines actually give you free stopovers that allow you to explore a brand new place they've never explored before for discounted or even for absolutely free prices. And this also includes free hotel rooms or free experiences as a part of this. An example of some of these airlines include Etihad, Qatar, and Turkish Airlines. Etihad in particular offer a stopover for free in Abu Dhabi that includes 3-star and 4-star hotel stays. Plus, there's also other discounts available on 5-star stays if you're feeling like something really fancy. While in addition to this, Turkish Airlines also allows you to stop for free as part of their stopover program. Other airlines such as TAP Air Portugal, Finnair, and Iceland Air also offer free stopover programs for up to a week, for example, but you might have to do a bit of wrangling around with hotel rooms, etc., as they're not quite as generous as the Turkish and Etihad Airlines. Nonetheless, it's a really great way of reorganizing your flight and staying in a beautiful place like Iceland, for example, and of course these places look also really great on the gram. And lastly, take a look at our guide so that you never miss out on all the best ways to save with regards to these airline programs. And that's it for our Hot UK Deals weekly deal news for the week. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel here so you don't miss out on all the very best ways to save. And in addition to that, it's definitely worth giving us a follow on our social media channels, that is Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok and other channels. Once again, thank you so much for watching our video here, and until next time, from Hot UK Deals.